and Captain and with the team. Ladies and gentlemen, it's a great pleasure for us to welcome you in Fort-Dauphin. As you know, it was very challenging for us to address this hunger situation in the south of Madagascar. And of one of our allies over the road is India. And we have this opportunity today to showcase how is great, how is very useful this relationship between India and Madagascar. And I would like to thank you so much, not only for commitment, but for the brotherhood and the friendship between India and Madagascar. It's very important for us to be here today as we are celebrating the excellent relationship between our both countries. We are in different domains now, as you know. You have said as well, you have another Navy ship in the north of Madagascar about training between our two armies. We know, as you said as well, you have a long common story between India and Madagascar. And this is another proof of this excellence of our relationship, the big and very useful cooperation between Madagascar and India. And I would like to ask you to convey to the government of India our deep appreciation. Today we are here to welcome this donation from the government of India in terms of rice and medicines as well. And it's very important for us to welcome that. As you know, the south of Madagascar is facing this huge challenge of hunger. And we are adopting many plans now about to develop water drilling across the south of Madagascar. And this hunger is touching so three regions of the south of Madagascar. This region, Anus, the another region close to Anus Android, and last one is Apsimandefan. And with our plan, we address this with determination and conviction. And I would like to share you our commitment that we need to change this and to transform the south of Madagascar as one of sites of development in the future. We can assist in this situation without no very willingness of transformation of the south of Madagascar. And one of our plans is to put in place in the soonest as possible the pipeline from here to the south of Madagascar, to another regions. And this one of two or three important things, we need some mobilization as well of our partners across the world. And one of that is India, and we expect that India can be in our sides every time. And I know your commitment, and I know what can you bring up in changing situation with us. And that's why I would like to thank you so much for this donation granted to the south of Madagascar. And I would like to say this opportunity as well to thank Captain and our team for this opportunity to come in the south of Madagascar with this donation from the government of India. I would like to wish you the best say in the south of Madagascar, in particular in Fort-Dauphin. And wish you a very good going back to the sea, because every time you are in the sea, and thank you so much for that. Isika rehetrarehetra dia makasitraka sy mankatelina atsika tonga zao atoandro zao amin'izao fanomezan'ny gouvernemanta indiana ny fanampiana aty amin'ny atsimon'ny nosy. Nanao antsoavatsika tamin'ny firenena maro, nanao antsoavatsika tamin'ireo mpiaro-nantoka amintsika reo, ny amin'izay azo fanampiana izay tokoa no antony sy ny fifandraisana eo amin'ny raisam-pirenena. Nambany antso amin'izany ny gouvernemanta indiana azosoavatsika be dehibe zany aby ny mangataka teka ho anareo rehetrarehetra ho an'izy ireo. Isika dia tsy mijanona fanampiana fotsiny, efa fantatrareo fa tsy maintsy hovatsika ny tantaran'ity firenentsika ity. Olona ny fanaovana atsika, olona ny fanavaozana atsika, ary zay tsy maintsy natanterahantsika reny drafitra rehetrarehetra apetraka atsika mba hitondrana ny fodrafitrasa fototra fa indrindraindrindra ny fodrafitrasa mikasika ny rano, satria ny andry tao anaty fotoana ela dia ela le tia atsimon'ny nosy, ary manana ny aditsy sy andraikitra amin'izany apetraka ny firenena amin'izany isika. Mbola mamerina ny fisaoran'ny fikasitrahana ny ambassadeur ny Inde, satria tena mankaty anty nositsika ty izy, ary nampahafantarina atsika teo rahateo fa misy tantara iombonana atsika. Atsika ihany koa dia mahita fa tokony velatra bebe kokoa ny fiaraha-miasa atsika, sy janona fiaraha-miasa izay mahazatra atsika ihany, fa misokatra bebe kokoa ny fiaraha-miasa atsika mba ahafahantsika mifandray tanteraka ary feno amin'ireo izay lazaintsika fa mpiaro-nombonantoka ireo. Misaotra manokana ny kapitaine ty sambo mpiady ty tsika, satria misy ny mpiara-miasa aminy, satria hitatsika fa ny fanatanterahana izay toromarika nomeny gouvernemanta izay ny firenena aviny dia zava-dehibe ary mirahasoa zareo tsika mba hita misosiny tsara mandritra ny fivanianany eto Fort-Dauphin. Fantatsika fa efa naambarako mbenimbeny fa zao fanampiana zao dia zaraintsika ampiarabelontsika, pretandrazana antsika aty amin'ny faritra telo aty atsimon'ny nosy, ny faritra nosy, ny faritra androy, ny faritra atsimandrefana. Izay dia manaraka an'izay toromarika izay tsika ary asehontsika fa tena olona manana izay fatokisana izay tsika mba tsy vilivily, ary izay voalazan'ny andriamatoa gouverneur teo izay fanomezana nomeny teo ny fanampiana ohatran'izao fa tena tonga any amin'ny tena tokony sitraka azy. Izay ny lava izay ny fohy fa dia misaotra atsika rehetrarehetra tamin'izay fanomanana rehetrarehetra nataonareo teto an-toerana, tamin'izay ezaka nataonareo hatramin'izay izay efa mbola tohizanareo hatrany amin'izay tokony atongavany ireo fanampianareo amin'ny tena vahoaka indrindrindra pretandrazana mila an'izany. Makasika tompoko lahy misaotra tompoko vavy.